All right, I'm headed out to the greenhouse or high tunnel, whatever you want to call this thing. And we're going to try to swag it up in here. The nights are long and the days are short. So we're going to put some lights in the high tunnel here. Kind of light it up at night. We're going to try these LED outdoor string lights. Let's just take a look at a couple of these, see what they look like. Okay. This is like a plastic cover on the bulb, which is fine, which means if something nudges them, it won't break, so that'll be good. We don't want a bunch of glass in here. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the last one, attach the first one, and then hoop it up. So yeah, wish me luck. They do have a female end over here, so you can daisy chain them too.